Hi everyone, this is Formlab Studio. For modeling this parametric architectural mass, start in plan view. Draw a 5 by 5 meter square and then rotate the square 45 degrees. Array it in the X and Y directions. At this point, you'll notice gaps between the curves. So, use curve boolean to clean things up. Create a bounding box to define the overall boundary. Once that's done, offset the bounding box curve. Add 2 points at the corners to prepare for deformation. Zoom in and delete the extra squares. Don't be shy, clean up the unnecessary ones. Switch to perspective view. Create a plane using the planar surface command. Then delete the 2 rectangles. Select the remaining squares using saw curve. Also, use soft move to shape the mass. Turn on points option, select the 2 corner points and adjust the form like I do. Finally, select the squares again and use extrude curves. Turn on the 2 boundary option and select the surface as the boundary. Now take a step back and enjoy the result. Yes, you just modeled that. And don't forget to subscribe for more.